Hello guys, in this video we are going to see PostgreSQL Insert Statement. Insert is used to create new rows in a table. To execute insert on a table, we must have insert privilege on that table. Syntax is, this is the syntax. Insert into table, then we have to provide column list, then values, then actual values. Let's create a table in PostgreSQL server. Create table students SNO serial number int sname varchar 50 DOB, that is date of birth, class int. We have created a table that is students. Now first insert data into this table. Command is insert into table name is students. Then we have to give the values. Then we have to provide actual values for the columns. 101 or admin, class is 5th. Close the parenthesis and give the semicolon. See, it has inserted one row. Now insert few columns, not all the columns. Insert into students. Here we have to provide SNO, comma, sname. Then values 102 Elchuru. Press enter. Put the semicolon at the end of the statement. See, we have inserted one row. Let's verify it. Select star from students. These are blanks. So we have inserted two rows. Suppose if you want to insert multiple rows, then execute the command insert into students values 103 David, date of birth is 07/23. This is one row. I have to give class for another row 104 comma James. Close the date of birth is class is 4 again. Close the parenthesis and end the statement with semicolon. See, here I am going to insert two rows. One is this one and another is this one into this table. Execute it. See, we have inserted two rows at a time. Let's verify it. Select star from students. See, we have successfully inserted 4 rows. Now we are going to insert rows from other table. Before inserting rows from other table, we have to verify column names of both the tables. Select star from students. Now I am going to insert only these 4 columns. Let's verify the other table name. Select star from class 1. See, here it contains 5 columns, but here it contains 4 columns. Now, so we have to give only these 4 columns in the insert statement. Insert into students. Select name SNO sname DOB comma class from class 1. We are leaving this gender column because we don't have this column in the students table. Now press enter. See, it has inserted 5 rows. Let's verify. Select star from students. See, now the row size has been increased to 9. Before it was 4. So in this video we have seen the permissions required to execute insert statement. Then we have seen the syntax of the PostgreSQL insert statement. Then we have seen different types of examples. For more PostgreSQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.